Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the advanced calendar task in Dress and Press game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update has been dropped in Dress and Press, and you can go to this menu to access the advanced calendar. And this is 2025 advanced calendar, and you will be able to get all these items, but you need to claim it day by day. And I have already claimed 2 rewards, this one, this hair, and also this sweater. And to claim the reward guys, you need to find Lana Elf, and it can be anywhere in the free play mode or on the lobby or in the dressing room. So you need to search for the Lana Elf. And for day 2, the Lana Elf is on the lobby. So I'm going to teleport to the lobby. I'm going to teleport to the regular server so I can go to the lobby. So this is the Lana Elf that you need to find and just claim it right here, and you will unlock your reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the advanced calendar reward in Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!